know yet, the tap water or the well water we use daily often contains impurities and microorganisms that can impact our health. Therefore, ensuring our drinking water quality is crucial for maintaining our good health. Yes, and these pollutions can have adverse effects on our bodies, leading to illness or long-term health issues.
And to safeguard our health, it is important to implement proper water treatment methods. And one common approach is the use of water filtration system. These systems are designed to remove impurities and improve the water we consume, taste, and odor. Different types of filters, such as activate carbon filters or reverse osmosis systems, can effectively remove a wide range of contaminants, providing us with clean and safe drinking water. In addition to drinking water, it is also essential to consider the quality of water used for various household purposes. Water treated with the filtration system can also be beneficial for activities like cooking, washing fruits and vegetables, and even bathing. By reducing the presence of harmful substances, we can minimize the potential risks associated with using contaminated water in our daily lives. And moreover, when it comes to the well-being of our children and families, ensuring water quality becomes even more critical. Children are often more vulnerable to the effects of contaminants due to their developing immune systems. By implementing proper water treatment measures, we can provide our families with safe and healthy environment and reducing the risks of waterborne diseases and other health issues. So, in response to these challenges, environmentally and friendly water purification equipment has been developed to address these concerns. This environmentally friendly water purification equipment, such as pre-filters and scale inhibitors, has been developed to specifically address to the challenges of ensuring water quality for the well-being of our children and family. This water purification equipment not only contribute to ensuring the water quality, but also promotes sustainability. They help to reduce the need for excessive chemical treatments or descaling agents, which can have a negative environmental impacts. By implementing these measures, we can create a safe and healthy water environment for our family, and while reducing our ecological footprint, like pre-filters and the scale inhibitors.
Yes. So let's turn our attention to our pre-filters. First, let me discuss why the installation of the water pre-filter is so important. The water filter, or to say the pre-filters, are designed to capture the larger particles, the sediments, and the impurities from the water before it reaches the main filtration system. And by trapping these contaminants early on, the pre-filters can extend the main filter's lifespan and enhance its efficiency in removing the smaller particles and harmful substances.
Yes, and pre-filters undoubtedly play a crucial role in home and business sectors, whether at home or in a workplace, significantly influences our lives and work.
That's right. Water sources often contain sediments, rust, sand, chlorine, and organic compounds, bacterial So if these pollutants are not effectively filtered, they will enter into our tap water systems directly, which will poses the potential hazards to our health and the equipment.
Yes, that's why installing a pre-filter is so crucial. Pre-filters can effectively remove impurities and pollutants from water, providing a pure and cleaner water source. This not only shields our homes and workplaces from pollutants, but also extends the service life of equipment such as faucets, washing machines, and water heaters.
Due to these advantages, the pre-filters have become increasingly popular choices in homes and commercial settings, whether used in household water systems, hotels, restaurants, or office water supply systems. The pre-filters can play a crucial role.
Yes, absolutely. Pre-filters and the scale inhibitors may be unfamiliar concepts to many. You may wonder about their working principles. So next is a brief introduction to the working principle of the pre-filter.
Yes, so let me introduce the working principle of the water pre-filter. What I have hold in my hand in my hand is the pre-filter produced by our factory, and the untreated water flows in from the left. Yes, Frank, you can show to us. Uh, yes, from the left inlet pipe, and the impurities and the suspended solids are intercepted by the filter screen. So the clean water then flows out from the right outlet side. And the pore size of this filter mesh determines the size of particles it can intercept, such as sand, soil, the egg, the insect eggs, and other impurities. So these particles can negatively impact your and your family's health, especially in large amounts, so that if you use our Bruce Springs water pre-filter, you can prevent it from that.
Yes, indeed. In addition to providing a cleaner water source, the pre-filter can also save you a lot of expenses by effectively removing impurities and pollutants from water. The pre-filter can reduce the accumulation of scale and sediments on pipelines and equipment, thereby reducing the cost of pipeline repair and the equipment maintenance.
Moreover, the pre-filter can also enhance your quality of life. The pure water not only improves the taste and quality of drinking water, but also make your bathing experience more comfortable and healthy. So you will find that after purchasing the pre-filter produced by our factory, your skin becomes softer and your health smoother.
Yes, by installing a pre-filter, you will have a cleaner and healthier water source, extend the equipment life, and save maintenance costs and improve the quality of life. And this machine head is the ideal choice with these advantages. It adapts copper-free brass forging forming to ensure the health and the safety of the product. At the same time, they also adopts the first generation integrated storage patented technology, which combines siphon, backwashing, double-side scraping technology, and surround rapid suction technology, providing efficient filtration and cleaning effects.
Exactly. So this pre-filter, the brass head also adopts a tool-free disassembly technology. And the scraping technology can thoroughly clean the dirt on the surface of the filter screen and the bottle, while the siphon back washing technology, just as Frank mentioned to you before, can thoroughly clean the embedded impurities in the mesh holes. And in addition, The filter bottle is made of Brisk Springs formula and original imported materials, so it doesn't contain BPA, which means that it is a milk bottle grade, and it has passed the NSF and the SGS testing. So after being modified by Brisk Spring, it can withstand a freezing test at the temperature under 30 degrees and a burst pressure of over 50 kilograms. Yes.
Yes, and these characteristics and advantages make this pre-filter an excellent product. Not only can it provide a healthy and safe filtering effect, but it also has the efficient cleaning ability and excellent durability. By installing this pre-filter, you can enjoy a cleaner, safer, and healthier water experience.
That's right. So installing a pre-filter is not only a choice to protect your and your family's health, but also an investment in the quality of your life. So if you are interested in our Brisk Springs water pre-filter, or you have any questions, you can just leave a message and contact us, and my colleague Joe and John will contact you and answer your questions as soon as possible.
Yes, and like on Amazon, an uncommon question about the pre-filter is the pre-filter not used long before the filter screen was blocked by impurities. This issue has caused the users to leave a lot of negative reviews on Amazon in anger. But our product use a 40 micro stainless steel filter screen, which can efficiently filter large particles such as sediments, debris, rust, dirt, and sands, ensuring the purification of raw water before entering the downstream pipeline system.
Like the T4 model, Frank hold now, it features a rotating flushing design that allows for the quick and easy flushing without the need for disassembly, and equipped it with half-quarter inch quick connector, the pipe, and the built-in scraper. It simply rotated the flushing valve. Yes, the valve here. The valve here to scrape off the filter and the flush. So easy and worry-free backwashing ensures that the filter screen is always thoroughly clean, avoiding clogging issues.
Yes, at the same time, this main body is made of food-grade heavy-duty plastic, which has passed the 900 psi explosion testing and water impact testing, thus proving to be sturdy enough to withstand high water inlet pressure. The valve head and the joint are made of lead-free brass material to ensure durability. There will be no cracking or leakage issues.
Yeah, so as customers, the only thing we need to do is to clean and replace the filter. Yes, the crucial aspects to consider when using it. So, cause prolonged usage without maintenance can lead to the clog and the biological contamination of the filter element, which can affect the effectiveness. Therefore, it is recommended that if you purchase our pre-filters, you should regularly clean the pre-filter according to the provided instructions to ensure the lasting functions. Yes.
Yes, of course, absolutely. To maintain long-term effective use, we recommended cleaning the filter at least once a month. Before cleaning, it's essential to ensure there is a reliable drainage system in place to handle the wastewater generated during the process.
And during installation, it is also essential to check whether the water flow direction marked on the valve body aligns with the flow direction as the arrows here and here. So this ensures the proper usage and long-term operation of the pre-filter. So, in a word, we hope that you enjoy the quality and the reliability of our product, the water pre-filter. Yes.
Oh, so okay, that's our pre-filter introduction. Interested friends or those who want to learn more about our product can leave a message in the comment section. Our partners will contact you as soon as possible. Next, our other.
Yes, so let's shift our focus to the scale inhibitors. It is a vital component of water treatment systems. Yes, Frank, can you help me to take it out?
Yes, of course.
Thank you. So, when used this conjunction with water pre-filter, this scale inhibitor, or we call it as the water descaler, can provide a more comprehensive protection and maintenance of your equipment, yes, of your appliances. As we discussed earlier, the pre-filter primarily removes the solid particles and sediment in water, such as sand and rust and other impurities. And but for the water descaler, as as the name, it is mostly to prevent the lime scale in water.
Yes, scaling has been a persistent issue across many industries, presenting a significant challenge. This is particularly true for factories that require large amounts of water. Scaling and corrosion not only increase energy consumption, but also lead to operational issues such as corrosion and environmental pollution. The direct losses caused by scaling in the water industry are substantial.
For example, in the petroleum industry, the scaling in wellbores and surface process the pipelines during oil field production is a challenge problem that affects the on-site management. Yes. Hello guys, welcome to our live stream. As you see, my partner Frank is holding the water descaler. Yes, we produce. So let me go ahead. So that the severe scaling can significantly impact the underground process, even leading to the shutdown of injection and the production operations. And that is in the petroleum field. And what about the lime scale in the commercial side? Yes, as we know, in commerce and industrial, the scaling is also a common issue that affecting the industrial and commercial equipment utilizing the water such as a medium. So the natural water contains various elements such as calcium and barium and strontium. Yes, so many kinds of substances which dissolves and form the lime scale substances, and this scale deteriorates the heat transfer efficiency of the heating surfaces and increases the energy consumption. And in severe cases, they can even cause the blockage or the explosion. Yes, as I heard some of the cases before. So I wonder if there are any of you are have this meet this problem before. Yes.
Yes, the explosions may sound very horrible, but it is truth. So, fortunately, a relatively new product technology called multi-alloy technology has emerged. This scale inhibitor I have here is a product that utilizes this kind of technology. The concept of multi-alloy technology involves selecting various metal elements with different electronegativities and creating numerous installable micro battery systems with the microstructure of the anti-scaling alloy. This is achieved through unique alloy composition design and the precise smelting preparation control.
So when in contact with fluid, this one take place, enabling the regulation of the fluid's physical characteristics. This interaction also affects the nucleation and the growth process of the scaling crystals, as well as alters the adhesion and the dispersion properties of scale, and furthermore, upon contacting with water, this water scalar undergoes changes in phase tension and other physical parameters, leading to the dissolution of existing lime scale.
Yes, the scale inhibitor we have here is cylindrical in shape, just like this. Apart from the model, we also offer other models that differ slightly in structure and appearance. These variations are designed to cater to specific applications, and we have categorized the water descalers into 4 main models, each designed for the petroleum industrial use, commercial settings, and household scenarios. And these models have different ratios of electronegativity metal elements tailored to their respective purposes.
Yes, our design department really did a fantastic job for naming these water scales for each scenarios. And these names are inspired by 4 famous words from in ancient China and known as their incredible power. So I'm sure some of you here can already guess why we chose these names. So if you have any guesses, please let me know, and you can leave your comment. Yes, and we have a surprise for you.
Yes, my friends in the live streaming room, if you are also a manufacturer, and you can also consider naming your products based on the historical legends of your own country and share those stories with your customers. And this approach will give your customers a sense of mystery and the magic when it comes to your products. And it will also add a cultural atmosphere to your products and company.
Yes. So let me have a brief summary. The waterproof filter can block some tangible particles, while the function of the scale inhibitor is to interfere with the crystallization process of minerals and prevent them from forming such solid precipitates. And the core of the scale inhibitor consists of a pipe joint, a shell, 2 sets of spoilers, and multiple sets of anti-scaling chips. Yes, and these spoilers are strategically positioned at the head and middle of the device. Yes, here. When the water enters the spoiler, it is automatically rotates under the water pressure and creating a rotating flow field. This rotating water flow impacts the chipset and maximizing the contact between the chips and the water, thus can achieving the best effect.
Yes, it is important to note that this entire process is purely physical, and there is no need to worry about the pollutions. So our general suggestion is to use a combination of pre-filter and scale inhibitor. By using both pre-filter and scale inhibitor at the same time, the solid particles and the soluble minerals in water can be minimized to ensure the normal operation of the water treatment system. The pre-filter removes large particles and sediments, while the scale inhibitor prevents the formation of minor scale. And this comprehensive application can maintain the smoothness of pipelines and protect the equipment and extend the lifespan of the entire system. So that's our introduction today. The next hour, another partner Ruud will tell you guys some contents about our another product, the smart water leakage detector. So let's welcome.
Okay. Yes. It's time. Let's welcome it.
Hello, guys. Good evening, good afternoon, and good morning. Welcome to our channel. This is Ruud from Beijing Group. Now we are in Hangzhou, an amazing city in Southeast China, to conduct this live broadcast. Hope you guys will enjoy it. All right, I'm going to show you guys our fantastic water leakage protector. Well, water damage can result from a host of problems, many of which are difficult to predict. For example, pipe cracks, seepage, and leakage are three normal leakage phenomena of water leakage due to the installation of pipes and water equipment. The leakage can happen at any time and cause damage to families. You guys have water leakage problems? Well, if you guys have this issue, please contact me. I will give you guys solutions. Water leakage causes expensive damage. Fortunately, we can avoid this calamity. This is why we need a water leakage protector. So what is water leakage protector? Have you heard of water leakage protector before? All right, let me show you what is it. Well, water leakage protector monitors the flow of water through a pipeline. When abnormal behaviors are detected, the system cuts off the water flow to the entirety of the household by closing a valve with the leak detector. Therefore, no matter what kind of water leakage happened, water flow can be shut off from every water using fixture and appliance, protecting the whole of your home from disasters and expensive damage. So in future, the water leakage protector will be one of three protectors in family, together with gas leakage protector and electric leakage protectors. All right, in the next few minutes, I will briefly show you guys our amazing water leakage protector. Are you curious? There are also traditional water leakage protectors on the market. Well, for the traditional technology of water leakage protector, which is distributed sensor probe type, it is easy to cause false. Hello? Well, it is easy to cause false alarms, especially in wet environments. Besides, the monitoring range is limited. The distribution location is difficult to determine, and the internal leak cannot be detected. The traditional water leakage protector is difficult to measure micro leakage due to the low measurement accuracy. Okay, guys, so the market is urgent need of water leakage protector with high measurement accuracy, large range, scientific water leakage judgment mechanism, easy to set and not easy to misreport. So guys, please look at this fourth generation AI adaptive ultrasonic water leakage protector, which is from Beijing Technology. Do you guys understand this? Well, compared to the traditional protector, we have mainly 6 core advantages. Okay, right now, I'm gonna show you guys our first core advantage, which is easy setup. Use mode. It has 3 modes. Each mode has a complete set of built-in button procedures, including pipe explosion, drip, and leakage. Consumers can simply set the disarming mode can be set under special water use conditions, and the original use mode can be restored after normal water use is restored. Well, next, I'm going to show you guys our second core advantage, which is the professional mode setting according to special application scenarios, such as water storage equipment or the need of special commercial water use scenarios. The water consumption and the water duration can be flexible, set to meet various scenarios. And well, look at this big screen. It is clear at a glance. This is our third core advantage. Our fourth core advantage is multiple water quality monitoring functions. Multiple data monitoring functions such as water temperature, water pressure, water velocity, and cumulative flow, so you can know the situation well. Well, by contrast, the traditional water leakage product does not have those functions. If you are on business meeting or traveling, there was a sudden water leak, so you may feel helpless, but don't worry. Our fifth core advantage is to use mobile app remote monitoring, so you can master the water use at home, anytime and anywhere. If there is abnormal water use, you can close the gate at any time through the app remote operation. Okay, our last core advantage is a dual power supply, which can ensure the equipment keeps working and protect the safety of domestic water, even in case of sudden power failure. Okay, guys, so this protector uses ultrasonic technology. You know it can accurately detect the flow rates and accurately judge whether there is a water leakage signal according to the constant flow rate. The water leakage protector has high measurement accuracy from 2 liters per minute up to 4 tons per hour. Besides, it has a magic function. It uses AI technology to capture all types of water leakage. This is integrated water pre-filter with automatic control. One machine, multiple function. Moreover, this protector is more safe compared to the traditional water leakage protector because it has lead isolation, so it's more safety. All right, guys, those are the things I have shared with you guys today. I hope it is helpful to you. If you are interested or have any questions, please contact me. And if you have any demand, please click our link, which is on the top of our screen. So guys, my time is up. Thanks for watching. So next, please welcome our colleague John. He will show you guys the water softener.
Hello guys, let's go get straight to the product introduction. Like Ruth just said, I'm gonna presenting you the water descaler, or you may prefer it called the water softener. And this time, let's start with the industrial use water descaler. And if you watched our channel before, and you must know there's two kinds of water descaler. One is for residential use, and another is for commercial use. So this time, let's start with the commercial use or industrial use. The biggest difference between the commercial use and the residential use is their flow rate. And hi, good evening. Welcome to our live stream room. Now we're presenting you the industrial use water descaler. And the main function of this product is to remove the existing water scale or prevent the potential water scale in your, water recycling system. And you can see from the screen that the inside of this product is the SAS alloy chips. And you may wonder what is SAS. So the first S stands for special. The first A stands for anti-scale. And the second A stands for alloy. And the last S stands for system. So you can tell from the name that this product is to remove the water scale and to prevent the potential water scale to be formed in your water recycling system. And it is for industrial use, so the flow rate is up to 8 tons per hour. Also, we can customize, like 10 tons, 20 tons per hour based on your requirement or your needs, because there's many big facilities and the machines in different industries. So this one is the typical type industrial use, and it's 8 tons per hour. And the connection type is hot melting, as PPR pipe. Also, we have flange type, and flange connection is quite common in the industrial area, because many, for the cooling system, for cooling tower, or a bigger heat exchanger requires the flange connection. And inside of this product, like I just said, is the special alloy, and the working principle of this special alloy is that when it touches the water, it will release a free electron, and this free electron will, to insert in between the calcium and magnesium and the acid ion to prevent it these three particles to combine, so the water scale will not be formed. So this is a pure physical method, and the biggest difference is you don't need nice shower. What a sunny day. Hello, my friends. It's a big. It is. It's gonna work both for food factory. Yes, of course. It's the main working environment is for the food factory. As long as you have to deal with any water heating process in your factory or in your industrial, and this one is very you can trust on this water descaler. We need to use 50 tons. Well, this is the one, and you mentioned the 15 tons per day. Okay, so this one typical type is no problem, because the flow rate for this one is 8 tons per hour. So your 15 tons per day is, and this one is enough for your usage.
Rohan,
Rohan,
Mhm.
D is not
Denmark.
device damage.
Those Germany. Okay, got it.
Okay, got it. So, 这叫什么？
Rohan.
Okay, so Rohan, if you have, further questions or you want to know more about this product, you can leave your message in this comment. You can leave all your email in this comment. Our colleague will contact you, and we have a professional technical department. We can also provide the unique solution for your use, because this is a customized product, because you have to deal with different connection or with the facilities or machines. So let us know where where you want to install this product, or any further more information you want to know, because this one is not it's a bit different from the residential use, because the residential use will be installed in your main water pipe, but we recommend the industrial use to install in your recycling water system, and the efficiency will be the best.
Is this
Possible to have some print.
the Rohan?
Yeah, definitely, sure. And you can see here is we can work on this part, this area, and we can print your logo or print any feature or you want to present to your customer. If you want to sell this in your country, we can customize your logo and any information you want to show to your customers. And you mentioned that you have the food factory. Also, if you can, purchase a sample, you can test it by yourself. And then with this, your personal use, that you have more, information to share with your customer to sell this product in your regions. And as long as, because the market of this product is quite big. Now, for the previous generations, the factory need to spend a lot of money and time to to add the salt or add other chemical substances to remove the water scale at a certain time. But not like this one. After you installed this product, you don't need to maintenance free. You don't need to spend time. You don't need to spend money to to remove the water scale. So once this installed, as long as the water goes through this product, your whole circulating water systems will be no more. Will have no more the water scale.
What's inside?
This mysterious device making the job for the clean. Well, it's called. Sorry to bother you. No problem, man. It's not bother at all. I'd be happy to to answer all these questions, because it is an honor to bring you this product, and this special technology is inside of this product. I don't know if you can see clearly from the camera. There's a chip. There's a dozens of special alloy chips. This special alloy is our patent, and it is quite brand new technology. So the main particles of the water scale is calcium ion and magnesium ion, and combined with the acid ion. And once the water goes through this special alloy chips, it will release a free electron. So this free electron will replace the position that where the acid ion original is. So this electron will take place of the acid ion. So the calcium and magnesium cannot be combined with the acid ion, and it will leave in the water by the the individual particles, individual ions, calcium and magnesium. They cannot combine, and it will be flushed out to the water pipe. Flash out from the water pipe.也没啥好讲。So if you want to know more, like I just said, you can leave your email address in the comment. We can send you the catalog, more product information, the installation manual, so you can know how to install. Also, we can share you with a successful case that from one of our European customer. He runs a rubber hose factory. He runs a rubber hose factory. You know, when the rubber hose is extruded, the temperature is very high. So you need to use a big water tank to cool the temperature, to bring the temperature down. So there's a lot of water scale. So after he bought this product from us, only 7 days to 10 days, the situation becomes much better. The waters, change from yellow to transparent, and you can see from your naked eyes that the water scale is gone, and it's invisible. We can share you this case if you're interested in this product. Okay, my time is here, and next my colleague Joe will bring you more product information of the water leakage detector.
Thank you, John. Thank you for introduction for the water softener or water descaler. And now let me introduce you our last product, and as the ending. So this is our water leakage detector for us. Hello, welcome you, Kwan. Welcome to our live stream room. So this is our water leakage detector. It comes to help us to prevent all the unexpected damage from the water leakage. So it is very useful to keep our house safe from the unexpected water damage. So now let me introduce you several advantages of our product, and also you could check the advantages on our Alibaba website or on our YouTube website. So, and if you have any questions or any interesting for our product, we could share with you our introduction files or our catalog to you. Don't worry. Okay. So this water leakage detector, or we call it water leakage sensor, is going to use the first advantage. It is our ultrasonic technology. We have put, hello, you, welcome to our live stream room. So this is Joe, and we have put the 2 ultrasonic sensor inside of our product to prevent that to make sure that we can detect all the water flow data. And all the water flow data will going to influence to decide the device is going to close the valve, is going to be the water leakage condition. So, and besides, we're not very similar to the in the past. But in the water leakage detector market, we don't use the whole technology or the multi-point detect technology. We use this ultrasonic technology. The reason is it is not going to be influenced by any elements like sand, dust, or rust, etc. in the water, and we just put after the water meter on our main pipe on our house. So it is going to help our product to be stable and trusty. Don't worry about it. Okay, and in the meanwhile, our product have the second advantage is we have put the AI chip inside of our product. This AI chip, it is going to be a very, very intelligent AI chip to make our product to become more intelligent than the other product before. So this AI chip will keep learning the water using habits of our house to make sure that our device can know a very, very deeper of our water using habits to ensure that our product could be detect the water uses flow, the water using habits day by day and without a mistake. And another very important function of our product is we have put the electronic valve inside of our product to help our product can close the valve, cut off the water line, cut off the main pipeline when it detects to the water leakage condition. Hello, Rohan. Thank you for you. Okay. So now over here, I can show you how could we close, how could we open the valve. Okay, so let me show you. You can see we have a very big large screen with 4 different button functions for it. So right now I'm going to hold a valve control button, and this button is going to control the valve open or close. Let me show you. So for every button, for each of the 4 buttons, we have to hold the button for 3 to 5 seconds and to make sure it could have functioned. Okay, so in here you can see that we have hold the valve control button and the valve Okay, welcome. Hello, my friend. This is Joe, and we'll introduce you this water leakage detector. And we hope that you could enjoy our introduction. Okay, our water leakage detector is going to help us to prevent all the unexpected damage, water leakage damage from our house. Okay, so now I'm going to hold this valve control button again, and we're going to just open the valve for you. So let me show you. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now the valve is opening very closely. Let me show you. Okay, so now our valve is open already, right? Okay, so it is very, very useful function for our product. Okay, so over here you can see that we have a very large big screen to show all the data that we want to show you about our water usage, about our water flow, water temperature, water usage per day, and maybe some error code, because sometimes we have several errors that will happen inside our product. So right now you can see that we didn't connect with the main pipe, so product will think, oh, maybe we're under some error condition that the pipe of our product. Oh, hello you, welcome to our live stream. So this is Joe. We'll introduce you our water leakage detector. So the arrow right now for E1 might show that our pipe is empty without have any water. So I think we should isolate, or we can just ignore it. Don't worry, okay? Because right now we are just on a test right now. Okay, so this is very, very sensitive and intelligent product for us. Okay, so for another function for our product is we have launched an app on the iOS and Android app store that we can just scan the QR code on our user menu and to download the app. And once we sign up the app and connect with our product, we can make sure that we can control and check all the data on our phone and control the vault button, close or open. We can just control this device on the protected way or on the unprotected way. So which is very, very useful for our house. Okay. Hello, you. Welcome to our live stream room. So this is Joe, and we're very happy to introduce our water leakage detector to you. So this device is going to help us to prevent all the unexpected damage that might happen in our house. Okay, so right now, let me introduce you our last advantages of our product is we have setting the 3 different modes that is going to help to detect the water using habits that inside our house. For the mode 1 to detect the 1 to 3 people's house, and the mode 2 is going to detect the 3 to 5 people's house, and the mode 3 is going to detect more than 6 people's house. And all these 3 modes, we use the big data to check many of our people's daily water using habits, and we have the conclusion by the AI to make sure that the data will be precisely. Okay, so don't worry that our product could prevent our house. Our mode could prevent our house very, very safely. So everyone, this is our water leakage detector. And this device, it is going to help you from all the unexpected water leakage damage. Okay, and we hope that you can enjoy tonight and enjoy our live stream room. And we hope we could see you again, because my colleague John, Rina, Ruth, Frank, and me will just waiting for you for tomorrow. Okay, so welcome back for tomorrow. Okay, so see you. Bye bye.
那个刚才问问题，他有什么吗？
有，那个是 David。